welcome to STEAM Time with Sarah. My name's Sarah, and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Oops. Oh well. You might notice something a little bit different about me in this video. That's because I'm using stop motion to create it. That's also what we're going to be learning about today. Follow along with me to learn how. In order to do stop motion digitally, you'll need a phone, a tablet, or a camera. So my first step is building a platform to hold my camera steady. That makes it a lot easier for you to be able to move your characters and film them. It makes it look a little bit more realistic. So I'm measuring my phone just to find the right way to build the stand for my camera so I'll know what angle it should be pointing at. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I already have my character built and she's sitting in the spot where I'm going to be filming her. So it's important that you keep checking your camera's angle to make sure that what you're filming is centered on your camera. Our next step after building your camera or your phone's platform is to slightly move your character little by little, taking a picture of each move. There are several apps that are for stop motion animation that you can download on your phone, or you can just take pictures with your phone or your camera and put them all together. If you have an iPad at home, you can also use that. You can use the camera on your iPad. But like I said, I'm using my phone and I have the camera opened up on my phone and I'm moving the pieces little by little. I'm moving my character a small piece at a time and then I'm taking a picture of the movement. Once you have finished doing this, it's going to make your character move very evenly. Their moves will look very natural. So it's important to move them a little bit and then take a picture of each movement. If you don't have a figure like I have here, you can use so many different things in stop motion. Here I used some cotton balls. I moved them a little at a time and took a picture, and it looks like I've built a snowman. Whoa, whoa! Oh. You can also use construction paper in your stop motion. Just move it a little bit at a time and take pictures of it. Then put all of the pictures together and it looks like the construction paper is moving. Oh, hello. Thanks for watching today. If you have some really cool stop motion films that you've created, please feel free to share them with us on our social media, our Facebook or our Instagram. We'll see you next time.